I'm using a quarter drive to undo these bolts because I'm terrified I'm going to snap them, too much pressure on them, so that you've got a very limited torque with quarter drive. Otherwise I would just use the wee machine, but the car's 50-year-old, but luckily it's actually moved, so we'll see what happens here. It's 2 away anyway. I need to strike this with a hammer probably. Oh no, it's me, it's away. Get that oil pipe off here. Right, I suspect that this thermostat's completely jammed. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll just take that thermostat out completely and let it flow better. And it might not even need a radiator. We'll see. Back soon. Distilled malt white vinegar. I've dropped like a gallon of vinegar into the engine and I'm going to run it. I'm just going to connect the thermostat housing and then take the fill cap off it and then just put some more in. Engine flush, environmentally friendly. Quarter drive of course, just to make sure that it's not over tightened. Right, yeah, done. This will leak, but I'm not worried because I've got a radiator to fit yet, and I've got a new gasket for it. Just a wee squeeze here, nothing too great. It's sealed, so that's a spark plug socket that goes on that, believe it or not, to take that off. Look at that, 1316 snap on and everything. That's left over from my days when I worked for Fiat. So I'll just keep filling up through that fill hole and then we'll bleed it. See what it runs like on a bit of vinegar. So in conclusion, I think there's been a sweat for that pipe there, and it's been running down the side of the engine and it's been making an oily stain, and that's what the extra fluid's been after I had that drive shaft seal fixed. And it's been low in water. It's quite a difficult thing to check because all I do is fill up that expansion tank, but when I took the thermostat cap off the fill cap, it was low. So I ran it full of vinegar, washed it out, and I've took away 2 gallons of water and vinegar, and I'm going to top it up with a wee bit of water and then run it and see if it stays cool. And it may not be the case that I need a radiator, but I've got one now anyway. So I'll join all this up and I'll see you later. Like and subscribe, Mr H Classic Cars. For Allegro content, Mustang content, Morris Minor content. See you at the next car show. Distilled malt white vinegar. Distilled malt white vinegar. Distilled malt white vinegar. Okay, the fan's working. Here we have the crisp packet stuck to the radiator, so that's sucking in. So, we need to investigate this further. It's spider web.